Hello, Leute, we get this. So, in today's video, we'll see what are the common mistakes students make and how to avoid it. Okay. So, as all of you know, this is full A1 writing German course. So, we are having videos, different videos in this full series. So if you have not watched earlier videos, you can go and watch. So we'll start with today's video. I'll share one screen with you. So what are the common mistakes that we are going to see here? Students usually make, right? And how to avoid it, uh, obviously. So now do not forget a bullet point. This is very common mistake, okay? Because every bullet point has marks, right? Assigned marks are there. So don't ever forget any bullet point. At least write one or two sentences, okay? So don't forget it. Then second mistake usually students make is write long sentences. And always I tell you in every video that for Goethe A1, don't write long sentences. Simple, short sentences are mandatory, or you can say they are essential, but not very long sentences. Then the third mistake usually students make is use past or future tense. Be clear that in Goethe A1 writing, only present tense will be there, right? Because it's a basic level, okay? A1 is a basic level. So they don't expect you from very difficult grammar like past tense, future tense. Okay, maybe later in A2, B1, it will come, but not in A1. So don't ever use past or future tense in Goethe A1 writing. Forget greeting or ending. That also, I always tell you that start your email with greeting and end with some ending. Viele Grüße. Start with, if it is informal, lieber so and so. Okay. So these things you have to keep it in mind. Now, what is the checklist? You have to check is always check greetings. If you start your email with greeting, that is very important. I always tell you this because there are marks for greetings and endings. Perfect greetings and endings should be there in an email. All points. Suppose you have to write one email, then they will give you email or letter, okay, for that matter. So examiner will give you in exam some bullet points and you have to cover all the points. Don't ignore anyone, okay? You have to cover all the points. That is also very important. Simple sentences. This also I always tell A1 students that use very simple sentences. So use that. Don't use complicated ones. Name at the end of email or letter is mandatory. It's very important. You have to write your name. So don't forget this. Okay. All this checklist, you just check it while going to exam. This checklist can save your exam. Okay. And I'm sure you will definitely pass A1 writing. Okay. I hope this is clear with you. Subscribe to my channel. If you are new to my channel, I'll be coming up with all these exam related videos and I help students to pass the exam. That's all for today, friends. See you in next video. Till then, thank you and bye-bye.